Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been over 2 months since my last video, but it was summer and yeah, it took a while to get back to normality. So now we are back, school has started and yeah, we're getting back to our videos. So I want to start from my favorite products that I enjoyed using this past 2 months, and all of them are new. Well, I want to show you new products, obviously. Now I will start with the most exciting kind of the product that was for me. It's skincare. This is by Filorga Sleep and Peel. It's like a micro peeling night cream. Now this was such a discovery and I used it all summer. Okay, it has glycolic acid and salicylic acid, I think. And yes, you would think, okay, it's summer and you're exposed to the sun. It's not exactly the product to use in summer, but actually, well, depending where you are, I don't really suntan. So for me, this product was just like once per week. Now I haven't showed once per week peel. And since I don't use any scrubs, I only use chemical peels. Looks like this. I threw away the packaging, okay, because I got it in Riga where I was spending my 2 months of summer. So yeah, I threw away all the packages. Now this was the gem. I would be using, I still use it once per week, and yeah, it leaves your skin with, it's like, gives so much brightness, and yeah, it's like your peel. So amazing product. It's one of my favorite from Filorga. Now, and after that, of course, you need SPF. And I discovered such a good SPF by Garnier. Now, I use a lot of La Roche-Posay or like pharmacy, French pharmacy SPF. But you know, nowadays, mass market also has so many good options, and Garnier actually really leveled up. So I used some of their products, the SPF before, but this one is new. It's salicylic acid and niacinamide daily UV 50 plus. I don't have oily skin, but in summer with the humidity up to like 90%, I really need something that will mattify my skin. It's very liquid. I actually don't see a lot of it in the shops, but I saw it. Absorbs fast, leaves your skin kind of mattified. See, no greasiness, no oiliness, perfection. And if you have imperfections, if you have like imperfections, pimples, or you have oily skin, this is the product for you, really. I'm still using it. Look, it's September, on the end of September, but in Barcelona it's very warm still. We're still kind of in summer mode. It's still a lot of humidity. Now, this is perfect. I was so happy I found it. Another product that it's a small size, I think. It's by Fresh Face Cleanser, Soy Face Cleanser with rich in amino acids. Wonderful cleanser, you know, with all the sun exposure, with all the, like, I use always my acids. I still use, even in summer, I use retinol. So for me in the morning, I like to use something gentle. Also in the evening after I take off my makeup. And yeah, I'm loving this so much. I haven't used anything from Fresh. This is my first product and I love this so much. It smells almost of nothing, and it's pretty liquidy, so you probably don't even need mix it with the water. Like at first you wash your face without water, maybe on the a little bit humid face, but not too wet, otherwise it'll be too liquid. Like this is like a very liquidy gel kind of, yeah. But I like it. Actually, I don't even use water. I just like pour it and wash my face after I take off my makeup, of course. In the morning, just first thing. Now, these are the face products. Okay, I have to show you my combo, complexion combo. Now, this is another thing. Okay, this is 50%, 50 SPF. But I very often, since I was in Riga, it's Latvia, and it's sometimes the weather is really rainy, overcast, you don't really need a lot of sun protection, but you still need one. And I've been using this, it's a face primer with the SPF 30, and it's a moisturizing primer. And I was using this, it's almost empty, by the way. I have so many empties. It's gonna be next video, empties. Okay, the lid disappeared somewhere. I love it. It's with a pump, perfect. So I put like 2-3 pumps, well 2 I think, because it's pretty liquidy. And I will put like maybe 7, like this, like I just go like this. This is the tanning drops, but it's tanning drops for one time. Like you use it, it's not like a self-tanning drops. It's not self-tan that lasts. If you wash it off. This is by Collistar. I showed it, I think, to you. This is a small version. These are face magic drops, and you can use it with everything, with your moisturizing cream on your décolleté or like whole body. This is the small. I just wanted to try, but you know, I've been using it 2 months and a half already, almost every day. Look, I still have some. So it's you know, if you can get the small size, I think small size will just do, and you just repurchase again small size, because the price difference is really big, you know. Small size was not expensive at all. I think it didn't reach even 20 euros less, and the big size is pretty expensive, or like 50 or something. So yeah, so I've been using this every day, and it was like my moisturizing cream, and I was using it after serum. And this drops, and off you go. You put a little bit of I don't know, cream blush, and that's it. Gloss, that's it. Oh my god, gloss. I have 3 glosses to show you. Okay, let's just do glosses. Even though I have, okay, these are the things that I've been using almost all summer. Okay, this is empty, goes to empties, almost empty. I still can dig it out. This is one of the gems I found in Catrice, Plump It Up Lip Booster with a little menthol, if you're kind of like sensitive to it, but it's not that like cold sensation when you put something very menthol. It's pretty mild. This is one of the best lip glosses. It's pretty thick, it doesn't go away right away. Even if you drink coffee, it's still there, plumps your lips. And you don't even need like lip liner with this. Sometimes it's just like you put it on and it just, I mean, try it, honestly. I cannot try it now because I have like another combination, but yeah, and it's almost done, and it's, I really precisely this color I like. It's like a peachy transparent, in Real Talk. Really try it. I mean, it's not expensive. It's worth trying. If you are in the market for a new lip gloss, the one that is not gonna slide off your lips at first sip of the water, really, this is really good, really good. Now, another one that I could not try, because it's a new formula. It's a new lip gloss from Armani, and it has their it's called Prisma gloss, and it also oil infused. Do you remember the Bobbi Brown has like oil crushed infused gloss, which was one of my favorites. I think I still have a little bit. And this one is not that thick as the other one, but it's very moisturizing, and yet it also has this grip, you know. It's not also like too liquidy or too like, it also sticks to your lips. I have a number 5, like a berry. I've been using it for the past 1.5 months. Such a beautiful color. It's like exactly up my alley. Do you see this beautiful cool toned pink color? Amazing. Lip, some pencil on top of this gloss, and absolutely fantastic. I actually have it now on my lips together, I think, with some lipstick. I don't remember, but I have. Okay, I will finish with the third one. This is by Fenty. This is their moisturizing lipstick, I suppose, in cookies and cacao. Such a nice color, texture, everything. Love everything about this lipstick. Use it a lot as well. No need for even look at this, like a little bit like cinnamon vibe. Very autumnal as well. Very pretty. Moisturizing, also very easy. Beautiful. One of my, like these 3 are my favorites of the past 2 months. This lip liner by NYX. Wow, this is like such a long lasting lip liner, and it doesn't budge. Kind of like a tattoo almost. I have it right now on my lips actually. And it's really, especially if you go for the evening and you know you're gonna eat or drink, like eat it and drink, or, and also like in the day, if you just don't want to constantly do something with your lips, it's fantastic. Also, you can fill in your lips and it'll be just there. It's a matte, kind of matte finish, but you can put oil on your lips, like gloss, like I put right now, and you can really shape your lips and it'll be there. Amazing. Yeah, this color is so nice. You can smudge it, like I smudge all the colors. So this is like the color, very nice, like very neutral, beigey. It's honestly, this combo is priceless. It's the same. It's like absolutely the same color, like cinnamon. Yeah, well, cookie cacao, but yeah. And this is in Live a Legacy. What else? Okay, my favorite concealer is by NYX as well. And actually I got it because I saw one makeup artist. She's like really big. She knows everything. And she said that this is her favorite concealer. Like #1. Especially anti-age, like for mature skin. It's Pro Fix Stick concealer. I have a number vanilla. I have it right now on my face. What I like about it, especially for summer, it's kind of like texture is moussey, even though it's like in a stick. It's moussey, like mousse-like. You know, it reminds me very much of the pot of NARS Spot, this matte, soft matte concealer. It's almost identical. The price is obviously not the same. I mean, yeah, it doesn't really, but honestly, it's one of the best concealers, and it goes so smoothly. Sometimes if you have dry skin, it's perfect. You don't need any powder. And yeah, it's just gonna be, it's not gonna cake, it's not gonna look dry. I normally just in the morning, okay, we have a lot of humidity. It's like, no matter how much powder I put on my face, I still like shine, but anyway. And I normally like just draw like this and smudge it like almost until here and on my chin. And I just go maybe with the powder and some bronzer, and that's it. It's like my daily. But I have an amazing discovery as well. This I've been using non-stop on every occasion. This is by Max Factor Miracle Touch Cream to Liquid Foundation. It's so good. It's so good. I'm so happy I have it. It's so comfortable. I normally use it with a brush, but it looks like this. It also has actually SPF 30 and Miracle Touch, and I have a number Warm Almond, but it's not that dark. I use it like all summer. You see, it's almost like a really big dent. I have it right now on my face. It's just so pretty. I'm gonna... Okay, I mean, obviously on the hand it's not exactly, you can understand, but the texture is creamy and the coverage is medium, like almost medium, like good medium, you know, not a light medium, like good medium coverage. You can, like, if you have little veins or little like red marks from the pimples that you squeezed you know, or like the pimple that disappeared but still has a mark, it covers it like easily. And with the thick brush that I'm using, it's there, but anyway, the thick, I like using it like with a thick brush, like very dense brush, and I just go like this. And normally I will just go more like here. I don't really use here, so it's not that heavy, and I just use this like around like this area and all around this. It's amazing. I use it in the day. You can use it as a like thick coverage. You can use it very light coverage, just a little bit all over the face. It's so handy. And travel wise, it's amazing because it's not liquid. I mean, you have here for touch-ups, if you want to take it with you, this sponge here, like there's like, it's amazing. It's like perfect for touch-ups, you know, like, I mean, there's no mirror though. This is the only thing. I just like, sometimes I just use it like on a, like, just kind of like maybe pat the, maybe I get oily, so I just pat it without powder like this, because the sponge is like suitable for this. Amazing. It's like, I don't need anything else, honestly. Now, I think we have like a couple things for the hair. This is a very good product. Elvital Oil Erasing Scalp Serum. This is, it has salicylic acid, I think, or glycolic acid. It also have hyaluronic acid, and you use it before washing your hair. It cleans your scalp, and in general your hair, the cleanness of your hair really like lasts longer. I use it once per week. Amazing. Like your roots really so clean and like very silky, very like oof, like yeah. I didn't use it today, but I use it like every week. Loving it. It's like purifying. And this is a gem. If you live in a humid climate, this is by Schwarzkopf, Got to Be. Take away the flies, like flies off. It's written, yeah, I don't know what's written, but it's like this gel. Oops. I think it's my hair, sorry. It takes away flies off, especially if you have smooth hair, and then you go like this, and it's for the hair. It's gel like this for the hair. If you want to have like really smooth hair like this, amazing. Everybody needs it. And the last thing is my favorite perfume for the summer that I've been using all the time. It's Sol de Janeiro in number 40, Black Amber Plum and Vanilla Woods. Love this. It's so fresh, it's so nice, it's sweet, but it's like nice sweet. The summer was perfect, loved it. And that's that. These are my favorite products for the past 2 months. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will try to do my videos on constant every week like before. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.